Yeah, hello everyone, Namaste, Master Jay here. Welcome to Jay Yoga Academy. And if you are new onto this channel, please subscribe Jay Yoga Academy for more updates about yoga. So welcome guys, today's the practice about the new pose. It's a side crow pose. I will teach you the different variation and the technique so you can do the side crow pose in an easy way. So first for the side crow, and in my last video I told you about the crane pose, simple pose. So for the side crow pose, you can do in the different techniques. Just bend your both legs, keep your feet and knee together, raise your right hand up, inhale, and with exhalation try to put your hand onto the left knee. Just try to put it near to the shoulder here, don't put it here. Just try to put maximum so you can make balance more easily. So here you just put your hands onto the floor, lift your hip up, this one. Then come slightly front and bend your elbow. Wrist, lift your heels up, slowly try to raise your legs up. So just hold it first and bend elbow, try to look front. If you want here, you can straight your leg. If you want, you can open your leg also. Just come back. So you have to do it with the both side. Again, feet together, knee together, inhale and exhale. Just put it here, up and make balance. This one. Try. One leg. So in the beginning, if you cannot make balance, you can put your head onto the floor also. Like the same way, just put it here and put your head down. Then you can try with this. Slow, head up and come back. So if with this technique also if you cannot do, then you can try with one hand, elbow down. So in this what we do, we just drop our one hand, elbow down, and one hand, put it here, and then put your legs like this, and then try to hold it. So you have 2-3 techniques with the different techniques you can try, and after that you will know how to make balance, and then definitely you can do the pose. Same, hip up, lift your heels, put the weight onto the hand, slowly legs up. Yes, and come back. So you can do the simple side crow with this technique. So thank you so much guys. I hope you like my video. So please don't forget to subscribe Jay Yoga Academy. See you into the next video. Hari Om, Namaste, Dhanyavad.